Hello and welcome! In this painting demo, I'm going to show you how to make these amazing marks with leaves from the park or from your garden. Okay, so I'm going to quickly explain what we have here for our printing process. So this is a paper where I want to put the prints from the leaves on. This is just an old paper I had laying around, which I used to put the paint on the leaves. And here I have acrylic paint. It is white acrylic paint mixed with a bit of sand because I like these off-white tones. It looks lovely for these leaf prints. And yeah, I have a brush. You can use any brush. And I mixed the paint with a bit of water. Yeah, and that's it, I think. Of course, I have some leaves, which I found in the garden and in the park. And then I use my brush, take a bit of this watered down paint, so it's acrylic paint mixed with water, and I put it onto my leaf. This paper here is not supposed to look lovely. Sometimes it does. If you look, it's interesting, but today we're just using it for putting paint on our leaves. I let them dry for half a minute or something. Because then the prints are nicer. And in the meantime, I put paint onto some more. And just try out what works well, like a bit more paint or a bit less. Yeah, let's do a fawn because they look really lovely if you have something like that around. That's really special. And you can do that on your paintings, or you can make little postcards like that, or yeah, do some exercise pieces or whatever. And also here, look, these marks it makes. It's nice and interesting. But for now, I'm taking the paint off because this is not what we're working on. This one is. And we are going to start with this. I'm going to try to work head over so that it looks nice for you. And let's start like this. And I use any piece of paper to put on and then press it down a bit with my hand so that the paint goes onto the painting. And then I peel it slightly off again and we have a print. And now we take our farm. I wonder whether it's even a bit big. Maybe we put it here like this. And again, press it down a bit. And then take it off. Ah, doesn't it look lovely? I think we need one of these here. But first, we take this one because otherwise it's going to be too dry. It doesn't work well. And of course, it would be better to let it dry before you smash over with the next one. But yeah, not perfect, but you might need some more practice. But we're gonna get there. So maybe here a big one like this, or maybe a smaller one of these. We have one. Yeah, let's try this one. Might look nice. And I have this broken down farm. I think that might be nice here. Sometimes broken things look lovely too. Look what I made here, that's nice. So, here. Maybe I should even put a bit more paint on to have this corner painted too. Yeah, look, like this is lovely. Here it should have been a bit more dry. I was too quick, but this is really, really lovely. Like it. So now we have this one. I think we can let it dry a bit more. So maybe one of these could go here. I think might look nice. I take this paint off. So we let this one dry a bit. What else do we want? Maybe a small one of these, like here. Let's see. Okay, we start with this one. No, we start with this one. Because then it's easier to know where to put that one. And these papers, you can reuse them. Once they are dry, just use them again for painting or for this. Like, I always have use for papers. Pick it up slightly. And you have a print. And now and just try out what you like. I mean, what works well for you and which leaf forms you like, and yeah, use the ones you like. Because if you like it, chances are good that others do too. Somewhere in the world there will be other people liking it. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it around to see what we did. Yeah, looks kind of nice, doesn't it? I think we leave this one as it is, and we try this slightly lighter background and do just some more.